Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a more intermediate tap routine to teach you. This one we are going to repeat multiple things on both sides, but then we have some fun choreography in the middle. So grab those tap shoes, let's watch a quick preview, and let's get started. Double shuffle, stamp. So we're gonna go shuffle, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, shuffle, stamp. From there, we're gonna flap forward, flap. We're gonna do our front heel, then our back heel, then we're gonna spank, toe, heel. So that A count will go 1A and up 2, 3A and up 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to repeat that entire thing on the other foot as well. 1A and up 2, 3A and up 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Facing the back, it'll look like this. 1A and up 2, 3A and up 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1A and up 2, 3A and up 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From there, we're going to do 2 paradiddles. 1A and up, 2A and up. From there, we're just going to go heel, toe, clap. Then we're going to repeat it on the other side as well. 5A and up, 6A and up, 7 and 8. So that 8 count will look like this. And that 8 count facing the back. And piecing those 8 counts together, we go 1A and up 2, 3A and up 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1A and up 2, 3A and up 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We paradiddle 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From there, we're going to go onto our toes. Toes, heels, clap, all range. So once again, we're just going to hop onto our toes. Toes, then bring both heels down, clap on that 3, and ball change on up. From there, we're going to slide our feet around. 5, 6, and we're going to go spank, heel, toe. So that last A count will go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's go ahead and piece those 4 counts of 8 together. We start 1A and up 2, 3A and up 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1A and up 2, 3A and up 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Paradiddle. 1, 2, heel, toe, clap. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, we're gonna do a fast Shirley tempo. Flat, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. From there, we're gonna go drag, heel, slap. And we're not gonna transfer that weight because we're gonna repeat it on the other side as well. Flat, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, drag, heel, slap. So there's no weight transfer on that slap. Once again, you were here, we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. From there, we're gonna do toe, heel, heel, toe. Bring it together on 4. You're gonna ball change and 5, double pickup and a 6. You're gonna ball change out and 7. You're gonna bring it in and 8. So that last count of 8 will go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Those last two counts of 8 facing the back. We go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 A and 2. 3 A and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again. 1 A and 2. 3 A and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and paradiddles. Go. 1, 2, 3. Heels, clap, ball change, bring it around. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shirley tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, hold. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, hold. Toe, heel, toe, together. Ball change, bring it out. Ball change, and 5. I'm facing the back, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and paradiddles. Go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Toes, heels, clap, ball change, bring it around. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Shirley tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Toe, heel, toe together. Ball change, double pick up, out, in. All right, let's go ahead and try this a little bit faster before we piece it together with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. All right, guys, it is now time to piece this choreography together with the music. Remember, you can always speed it up or slow it down based upon your ability. So good luck and try your best. right, everyone, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning that tap combo with me. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below to see our new content every week.